Today, we'll review the superb Tektronix 31000 series touchscreen arbitrary function generator. The Tektronix MDO3000 oscilloscope includes an internal arbitrary function generator, which works quite well for what it is. You can access any of 13 waveforms, and with the AFG cabled to an analog channel in the oscilloscope, display them, varying amplitude, frequency, duty cycle, etc. The standalone bench-type Tektronix 31000 series arbitrary function generator goes well beyond this. It has two channels that can be viewed in a monitor screen and displayed in the full-screen MDO3000 and equivalent instruments. To do so, run BNC cables from the two AFG outputs to two of the MDO analog channel inputs. Be sure all signal paths are on. Powering up the AFG 31000, we see the main menu. The user is offered Basic, Advanced, and Arb Builder. Whenever you see arbitrary in conjunction with a waveform generator, it means the instrument is capable of generating, processing, and displaying user-designed waveforms. More about this in a future video. If we touch Basic, Channel 1 and Channel 2 appear in the monitor and also in the oscilloscope, which I have connected by means of BNC cables. For now, to simplify, we'll turn off Channel 2 in both instruments. The Basic displays the 13 available internally generated waveforms. They are sine, square, arbitrary, ramp, pulse, noise, sine x over x, DC, Gaussian, Lorentz, exponential rise, exponential decay, and Haversine. Each of these can be accessed by touch screen or buttons on the front panel. There are four modes: continuous, which is the default waveform; sweep, in which the amplitude remains constant but the frequency varies at a constant rate; modulation, in which a baseband frequency modulates or controls the amplitude or frequency of the carrier wave; and burst, in which, as the name implies, a DC or other signal is interrupted by a second high-amplitude, short-duration signal. Each of these waveforms can be varied as to frequency, phase, amplitude, and offset. This is done by using the number pad on the right side of the front panel. We'll see how this is done in our next video on the Tektronix AFG 31000 series arbitrary function generator. Thanks for watching. New videos are added periodically, so check back frequently.